the x would be minus b, meaning that bc minus a, plus minus b square, meaning this b square c minus a whole square, minus 4ac, 4 into a, b minus c, and c, a minus b, upon 2 into a into b minus c. So let's solve this. I think we will get that too. So minus b into c minus a plus minus. This will be b square c square plus a square minus 2 minus 4ac. Again b a minus b square minus ca plus cb would be there. There divided by 2 times a into b minus c. So then this will be b into c minus a plus b square c square plus b square a square minus 2ac b square minus 4a square bc minus plus 4ac b square plus 4a square c square minus 4a. This comes here, then 4a square b square. Okay, so what comes here is this minus b into c minus a plus minus. We've got b square c square plus b square a square plus 4a square c square minus 2a cb square minus a plus 2a cb square minus 4a square bc and minus 4ab c square divided by 2 times a into b minus. So what do I get from here is equals to minus bc minus a plus minus. I get here. This is bc, ba, 2ac. So 2ac square is coming positive and a square bc is coming. And what I'm thinking is this is bc whole square. This is ab whole square. This is 2ac whole square. Now minus this is 2ac square. ac and b square. ac and b square. So these two together. So minus 2bc into minus, so I'm thinking minus bc minus ab. Then this is minus 2 times, this is ab and ac, minus ab into 2ac minus 2 times minus bc into 2ac. Okay, so this becomes a perfect square actually. But thinking this would have been a tougher situation, but it's still 2a into b minus c. So what we got is this has become an expression of b minus bc minus a whole plus this has become 2ac minus bc minus ab whole square. Okay, divided by 2a into b minus c. Now let's take the plus and minus separately one by one time. This will be plus 2ac minus bc minus ab by 2a times b minus c. And on the other time it will be minus b c minus a minus 2ac minus bc minus ab upon 2a b minus c. Okay, so let's see this. This will become minus bc plus ab. This will become 2ac minus BC minus AB divided by 2AB minus C. This will become minus BC plus BA minus 2AC plus BC plus AB divided by 2AB minus C. So here AB cancels out and this will become 2AC to BC. So I can take 2A common to become B minus C. I got one